Grab your Christmas ornaments and some Halloween garden. Let's get busy. Take that Halloween garland in an 18-inch wreath form. Get those tags off. Start at the top. We're gonna wrap this all the way around and then zip tie it together. Make sure you layer it. I use 2 of these 6-foot garlands. Take your zip tie, pull it right through, and just zip tie it nice and tight. Take your scissors, cut the ends off of all of these zip ties one at a time. I know what you're thinking. How am I gonna use Christmas ornaments and Halloween decorations? Take your floral wire, grab 3 of your Christmas ornaments, weave them in onto this floral wire, and then just give it a good twist. Make sure you keep them together. Make sure you knot that up nice and tight. Bring that down to your wreath and then wire it to the back. Make sure that's twisted nice and tight. Grab these pink called eyeballs from Dollar Tree, and I picked up these glitter Halloween tea lights at Michael's. We're only gonna need 2, and same with the eyeball. Take your eyeball, turn it over, take an X-Acto blade. We're just gonna make a crisscross just so we can put this tea light right down inside. Voila. Set these eyeballs to the side. I've got something special planned for this, but first, let's wrap this wreath in twinkle lights. I finally learned if you leave the lights wrapped around the battery pack, it's easier to wrap your wreath. They won't get so tangled. Now let's zip tie the battery pack to the back. Make sure the on-off button is right on top. Let's put this together. Picked up this Halloween mask at Walmart. We're just going to add the hot glue right here. We're gonna take the eyeball and we're just gonna hot glue it right to the mask. I poked a hole in the mask with an X-Acto blade. Run your floral wire through. We're just going to attach this right to the top. Make sure you tie it nice and tight. I picked up these Christmas ornaments from Walmart. The wreath frame came from Michael's. Shout out to Heather, who said hello to the gooch in aisle number 3. This is for you, Heather. I got this mask at Walmart. The twinkle lights I already had. Let's turn on these lights. Let's turn on the eyeballs first. Let's turn on the battery pack here. I want orange lights. Oh, I almost forgot this tag. Get that tag off. Let's go put this into place. Look how awesome this Pennywise Halloween door wreath turned out. How perfect are these Christmas tree ornaments in red to symbolize that balloon. I love these light up eyes under this mask from Walmart. Be sure to check the comments. I'll post a photo of this lit up tonight after the sun goes down. And as always, if I can do this, you can do this. Hi, Georgie. Want to play?